Viking Microwave display is dim. How do you replace the light?
Do you know the model of your Viking microwave? How old is it?
MOS 200, serial 120843. Purchased in 2005.
How long has this been going on with your Viking microwave? What have you tried so far?
A couple of weeks.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Also, the release button doesn't seem to be locking in place in order for the microwave to function. I have to open and close a few times until it works.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I will be glad to help you today. Are you planning on repairing this yourself?
We will need to know what parts to order and how to repair.
Do you have experience working on appliances? You would have to replace the control board, door switches and the door latch.
I think with instructions, my husband can repair the unit. He has repaired appliances in the past. I believe that if we outsource this, it would cost us more than the unit is worth.
Replacing the control board would go very much like this: https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals 6656 UG. Replacing the door latch would go very much like this: https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals AFP 8 JRG ULK. Replacing the door switches would go very much like this: https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals CZZHDMB5 EU. You would order the parts from any local appliance parts supplier using the model number. It absolutely would be more expensive to have it repaired than it would to replace it.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.